I'm at $250,000 in my last year of work. Should have been millions. The skill I ignored for a decade? Not coding, not networking, not even strategy. Something so basic, most developers don't even call it a skill. But it's the difference between being competent and being untouchable. This blind spot cost me 3 promotions, 2 businesses, and millions I'll never see. But once I figured it out, I stopped bleeding opportunities. Stick around. I'll show you the skill and how to actually use it. Most developers think winning comes from writing cleaner code, learning frameworks, grinding hours, or stacking certifications. Wrong. The skill is business pattern recognition, not code patterns, business patterns. Seeing what's coming before anyone else does. Every big win in tech starts with someone spotting a pattern early. Every train wreck is someone ignoring one. Market timing. I ignored Bitcoin when devs first mentioned it. Problem amplification. That blinking server light I ignored for years. Failed drive that eventually crashed everything. Technology confluence. Missing the message queue revolution that solved our performance issues. Look, I learned this the hard way over 10 years. You don't have to. I break down these patterns every week in my newsletter. No coding tips, no fluff. Just the patterns that actually move careers. Right now, I'm sending subscribers a short series on pattern recognition. 4 weeks, straight to the point. Exactly what I wish I'd known 10 years earlier. Links in the description. Once you start seeing patterns, you'll notice them everywhere. That's when you stop chasing luck and start making better calls. Here's what changed everything for me. In 1999, my partner and I saw that big companies had a huge problem with employee feedback. While everyone was building websites, we built a business around that pattern. I became a CTO overnight. The 4 pattern types that create millions. Number 1, market timing. Track adjacent industries, monitor funding patterns, and watch what enterprise asks about. Number 2, problem amplification. Weekly friction audits, support ticket themes, asking what breaks at 10 times the scale. Number 3, talent movement. Follow where smart people go. It's a better predictor than stock prices. Number 4, technology confluence. Map your tech to trending areas. Spot integrations before they're obvious. These compound. See one type and suddenly you start spotting them all. After that, you can't turn it off. 10 years ago, I was reactive. Restart servers because of OS problems. Chase opportunities instead of making them. Then I learned to schedule automated reboots. Proactive strategy. The click moment? First time I acted on a pattern instead of waiting for proof. 6 months ahead on market shifts. Spotting talents before recruiters, building solutions for invisible problems. That's leverage. Once you see patterns, luck stops being the excuse. Strategy becomes the habit. This is what I share in the newsletter. Not tips, not career hacks, just the patterns that decide who gets ahead and who stays stuck. Every week I share one pattern I'm seeing that others are missing. Market shifts hiding in plain sight. Technology confluence is about to explode. Opportunities disguised as problems. I'm also giving subscribers a 4-week crash course on pattern recognition. Simple, practical, no theory. Links in the description. Join the Series CTO newsletter and get immediate access to the mini mentorship. Learn to see what's coming before your team even realizes there's a shift. If this landed tomorrow, I'm revealing the 3 technologies making developers money in 2025. That's pattern recognition applied.